Hello people, today I'm here with a very interesting topic and most asked about how to edit wallpaper and home screen in iPhone. Go to your lock screen and hold it for a second. Now scroll to your right. Click on the plus. You can see a variety of options here. You can change your wallpaper to photos, colors, weather, astronomy, even emojis and whatnot. Some are already there for you, but if you really want to customize your own wallpaper, let's go to the top of the page again and select anything you want. Well, I'll show you an example. Let me play with the colors. What do you think? This sounds good. You can just swipe and swipe for better options. There's so many colors and you can change the intensity, opacity of the color of your choice. Different colors, different intensity, different opacity. Click on the time and now you can select the font for your clock. So many options and I'll go for this. Now you can change the size of your clock. And this looks good. Okay. Wait, now you can also choose the color for your time. Okay, so many options again. You can also choose the intensity for it. Choose anything you like and customize your page as you wish. You can also add widgets, remove them, and add whatever you like. These widgets can help you make your life much easier. Once you're done customizing, click on Add on the top of the page. If you want to customize home screen, click Customize home screen. Customize your home screen as you like. Use the colors, gradients, and whatever you like. You can actually use photos. This looks quite good. Alright, now press done, and then that's it. Hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.